Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our final edition of Coffee with Craig for 2022. We hope everyone has had a good year or survived the year. We expect great things in 2023. A lot of challenges coming up, a lot of things happening. Keep your eyes open for the Coffee with Craig show next year. We've got just to wrap up the year this year. We've got a record number of people watching the show now. Every month, every week, we're over 8,000 per week that are watching our daily news, and over 15,000 watching our interviews that we've been putting out, each interview. And that is only on LinkedIn. We've got probably double that with all of our other, on all the other platforms, whether it's other social media platforms such as Twitter or Facebook, YouTube, of course, and also our own platforms, Europa Property website, newsletters, so probably double that. But just on LinkedIn, we're over 8,000 per week consistently, and always over 15,000 views on LinkedIn for all of our interviews with CEOs of different companies. So if you are looking to expand your business or expand your own profile in the sector, let us know. We definitely like to have you as one of our 1 week sponsors. We've got a few weeks still left, a few good weeks still left in 2023 that haven't been reserved, um, where you get an interview and actually a whole week of video advertising during the news shows. So really great opportunity to get over 25,000 views just on LinkedIn. So if you got a new product, new service, or message you want to get out for next year, let us know. This is an excellent way to get it out to everybody at once. And like I said, we still have some very good weeks left for the first half of 2023 that we definitely like to get you involved in, either right before MIPIM. We can right before MIPIM, right after MIPIM. Also good times to have it in March, and a few still in one or two still in February available. January sold out already, so stay tuned for those interviews. A lot going on there. Also, just as it is part of the Christmas season still, and will continue to be in some of the countries that we cover as Christmas is past for many of us, but also January 6th coming up for all of our Orthodox friends and clients. So we know also another week of retail. So and just being with families, and and enjoying the time together. So we hope you all enjoy the New Year's and holiday celebrations all around. Hanukkah already over as well, so we hope that everyone, all of our clients there as well, have enjoyed a great time. Um, so we just with wrapping up this year, we want to talk also a little bit about our next event, which is our CEE Retail Awards. A lot of exciting things happening there. We're almost sold out already for this event, so if you need a corporate table or want to do some sponsoring, let us know right away. The CE Retail Awards is coming up February 9th, once again at the InterContinental here in Warsaw. A few new sponsors. We've got Master Management, again, running our whiskey and cognac lounge. We've got our award sponsors in Blue City, our CE Flex office partner, again, which is now moving into a lot of the shopping centers. So if you've got some space in your shopping centers, you're thinking about how to increase traffic and the mix and the retail mix. Take a look at Newark. They're doing flex office in shopping centers now. Also, our corporate tables, biggest retail, biggest shopping mall owners in Poland. EPP will be attending. Kaufland, Nude, another big owner. CBRE Investment Management, owning many of the shopping centers, a lot of logistics and retail logistics as well. Also, big numbers on the jury. Again, we've got PBB Deutsche Pfandbrief Bank, MIMS Sensory Media, very interesting stuff there. A lot of the retailers, of course, back in Vision Express, Rossmann, Neonet, a lot of the big ones that constantly are expanding. Nude, of course, AC and Company, another big retailer. Expanding in Central Eastern Europe, another one of the big sort of Turkish-based international retailers, very successful. Great SA, Hebe, again, another retailer that's just done phenomenally well and expanding. Cushman Wakefield, then we've got Chris Igwe International. Chris is out of London. Most of the international guys will know him. Kigili, another retailer out of Turkey that's doing amazingly huge expansion into Europe. Yisk, all of you know them. Alshaya, of course, another big one. On the investor side, WP Carey, always with us. Shitsky and Gorsky, another big retailer. Again, EPP. Rituals, another just fantastic retailer that's just done amazingly well this year. Vinci, Olivia Igua, who also will be doing a little presentation for us on branding and brand management and even how to brand yourselves. Very interesting. I'll definitely like to hear more about that. Primark, you probably all know Primark. They've been expanding into Central Eastern Europe. They just opened another location in was it Park Lake? Park Lake in Bucharest, I think. Yeah, Park Lake, is that the one? Lake Park Shopping Center. Erste Bank, of course, SMIC, another investor, Pradera, Teddy, another big retailer out of Germany. Supernova, we haven't had Supernova invest for a while, but they own many of the big number of shopping centers in kind of more SCE region in Slovenia, in this area, and also of course Guess. We've had Guess many times, and they've been expanding like crazy and improving the stores, remodeling I think every store in the last year or two. So great to see all of them. Great to see that the retail awards again is taking off and doing so well. We also have a few other events coming up this year in Romania. Again, we have our SEE Awards, which we've been doing the longest event in the region, longest outstanding event, never to be pushed off or never to be canceled, no matter what kind of crises are happening. We either do it online or couple of years, but again, it's back at the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest, and that is April 6th in Bucharest. And then in May, we have several events. In Prague, we have our Marketplace-CEE covering all Central Eastern Europe for retail. Lots of brands coming for that. Lots of shopping center owners as well. We have our CEO awards in Serbia, in Belgrade, and then also at the end of the month we have our Baltic awards, Baltic Real Estate Awards, which will be in Sopot on May 25th. And of course, we guarantee great weather, sunny, and a lot of fun. A lot of new contacts from Scandinavia and from the Baltics will be there, but everyone's welcome that's got any kind of operations around the Baltic Sea there. So really a lot going on the first half of next year, and also of course the magazines for MIPIM. This should be a big year, I think, for MIPIM in Cannes. So we have our Europa Property Real Estate Guide coming out from MIPIM. So it'll be great to see all of you in that as well. Anything you have to promote on the office, warehouse, logistics side, retail, hotel, we're covering all sectors for Central Eastern Europe and Southeastern Europe. So having said that, we'll take a little bit of a break. We'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com. And we'll find out what's happening on the last day of the year in the news. So stay tuned. And again, we wish you all happy holidays, happy and safe holidays. And we hope to see you all and have 2023 and huge success for next year. So, welcome back. And we're here with Winston Norman, our editor in chief of EuropaProperty.com. Winston, welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Good to see you.
Welcome back to Warsaw, Craig.
Yeah,
Nice
thanks.
to see you.
It's great to be back it's like a spring day here.
Yeah.
You know,
we skipped winter
I
this
thought
year.
I didn't even need my coat. I could have just
No.
used it in Los Angeles this
Yeah.
whole time, but here, don't even need it. So, yeah, so I hope Christmas was okay. And
Christmas was very nice. Extended family time. Always good.
Good. Big New Year's plans or
Yeah, still working on
still working on them? Good. Yeah, but you got plenty of time for that anyway. So tell us what's going on in the news sector.
Yeah, sure. There's been a few interesting news pieces over the Christmas period, and the latest one is Panattoni has sold its Silesia East logistics park to Palmira Capital Partners. This is a 32,000 square meter Grade A complex, which is fully leased, and it's in Katowice, and that's the capital of the Silesia region, which is very close to the Czech Republic and Slovakia. And the main tenants of this park include Toyota, Antwerp, Dorel, Maxi Cozy, and Plus 8. Staying in the investment market and in Poland, and Echo Investment has also announced that they've sold the face-to-face business complex, also in Katowice, and they've sold that to Investica and Bud Holdings. And this deal exceeded 100 million euros. So quite a substantial deal there, and it's another good sign of the Polish regional markets being very strong.
Yeah, good to see those kind of deals happening.
Yeah, I'm sure Echo and the investors are very happy with that deal. And staying in the investment market, and Uni Investment sold the office building Marathon in Poznan to Unica Insurance Group. That's an Austrian insurance company. And Marathon is, again, it's fully leased, and it offers around 27,000 square meters of space to let, and it's got a LEED Platinum certificate, which is also important for international investors these days.
Yeah, sure.
And finally, for today, Global Worth has announced that it's signed or secured a 160 million euro loan from Erste Group, and the first facility is a 50 million unsecured revolving credit facility on a 3-year term, and the second facility is 110 million asset assured financing of the company's logistics light industrial portfolio in Romania with a 10-year term.
So a lot going on, even on the lending side.
There's a lot going on the investment and lending side, and many other things going on as well. But those are the main highlights I've selected for today.
Well, definitely check out our website, EuropaProperty.com, for all the news. And once again, thank you for Winston. Thank you for this great year of supplying us the news every day on not only but also on the Coffee with Craig show. And it'll be my pleasure to see you next year as well. So enjoy the rest of your year. Enjoy your New Year's Eve celebrations, and stay safe, stay healthy. I hear there's some different germs going around, and good to and avoid all of those for this year. We don't want you ill the first couple of weeks of next year. So stay safe, stay healthy, take your vitamins, and we will see you on the Coffee with Craig show in 2023. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.